Okay, today we're going to find the area of a parallelogram and then find the missing parts given the area. So the first two are pretty basic. If you go to your formula sheet for area of a parallelogram, and what I do is I put the little shape here, it's going to just be base times height. Now in a parallelogram, the height, some people get confused and they have that the height is these sides here, but that is not true. It is the height of the parallelogram is how far you would fall if you jumped off the roof of the parallelogram. And in this case, it's 8. And the base is where it's sitting on the table generally, but we'll see one that's not like that in a minute. So we've got area equals base, which is 11, times height, which is 88 square units. Areas in square units. When I think of area, I think of carpet, flooring, that kind of stuff. You find the area of a house when you're buying it. Now this one here, I'm going to draw it so it's sitting in the right direction. And I'm going to put the 3.2 feet here and the 1.8 feet here. And so that you can really see what the base is, just look at it as you turn, if you turned it a little bit. So the area would be 1.8 times 3.2, which is 5.76. So you're going to do 4 of those, and they should take you less than a minute, literally. Now we're going to go to the next 2, which you're going to have 4 of also on your homework. And these 2 give you the area. So we still write down area equals base times height. But here they're telling you that the area is 51.3. They're telling you that you don't know the base, but the height is 5.7. So what you need to do is leave the b alone because they want you to find the base. So here you would take 51.3 and divide it by 5.7. Divide both sides by 5.7. And b equals 9. That would be the height. Over here is the same thing. You have the area and equals base times height. You know the area is 39 and the base is 10. And you don't know the height. So you just put the h in there. And we divide by 10, and we get that the height is 3.9. I'll see you on Zoom today, and please knock these 8 problems out, because it won't take you long. We're going to crank it up tomorrow, but I'm going to try to do things a little bit slowly. We don't have much left to do. We're going to do a little bit every day. Keep up to speed, and let me know if you need any help. Thank you.